All right, the next thing I would like to talk about is inserting and deleting rows. Okay, and let's see, I'm making a work schedule. I need 6 columns. I only have 5 Monday through Friday. And I need to add a 6th one. So let me go here. So I'm going to add a column. So I'm going to right click, insert column left. Boom, there I have the other column. I just inserted another column, and I'm going to put names. Now the reason, let me make this smaller, go here and go like that to where it all fits in there, is because I have this here. I've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and I've got these names I have to put in here. Okay, let's see. Let me put the first 3 names. Abdi. Wait, one's a capital. Abdi, Felipe, and Maria. Just call him Phil so he can fit in the space in Maria. Okay, let me fix that. Okay, now I have a row for names. Now, so I inserted a column on the left, and I have a question down here. What does insert column mean? You might want to pause the video, or you can keep the video like it is and answer the question. Okay, and I can also add more rows. So look at this. Tong and Bone don't have their names there. So I need to add 2 more rows. So I'm going to right here, I'm in the bottom row. It doesn't matter where I am. In the bottom row here, I'm going to right click and insert row below. Boom, there's Maria's got a row below her. And then I need 2 more. So let me do it again. Insert row below. There, I just inserted 2 more rows. And let me go back to my question. What do I do first? Let me color this in. What do I do first if I want to insert a new row or column? So pause your video and answer that question. Let me bring this up. Where am I? The next thing I would like to talk about is resizing rows and columns. Okay, so let me show you how that is done. So let me scroll up here. So I've shrunk, all of the names are smaller now, so I don't need as much space. I want to make this as small as possible. So if I hover over this line, notice that it changes. Make it even closer. Look at this. The cursor, it changes the shape. Look at that. So we have enough space for Abdi. Let me drag that up. Drag it up. Oh boy. Of course, I know what happened. Okay, just a second. And let me fix this. All right, here I am again. So Abdi, I want to shrink his area. So I hover over there. It changes to this little shape with 2 arrows. I drag it up for Phil. Let me drag it up for Phil. I see those 2 arrows. Let me drag it up for Maria. And I will drag it up for Thong. And finally for Bone. Drag it up. That's how you resize the rows. Now I'm going to resize columns because they don't need to be that big. I have smaller letters now. So let me drag this here. Look at that, resize. Look, now that it's going this way. So let me drag this here. It's probably better to start from Monday. So let me drag that there, and then drag Tuesday over here. Drag, and then drag Friday. There we go. Okay, look at that. So now I have it a lot smaller. So for the next couple of minutes, I want you to ask your partner a question, these questions, and I will give you, before you move on, I want you to ask a partner and answer these questions. What do you click on the menu bar to insert a table? What are the steps to insert a table? How do you insert a new row at the bottom of a table, and how do you resize a column? Here are the questions in Spanish for extra help for our language learners. Okay, after this video, we'll move on to the next section.